if you want to eject the SIM tray on POCO F8 Pro, but you lost the SIM eject tool that comes with the phone, which we can find inside the box, then here's what you can use instead. And you can use pretty much anything as an alternative as long as it is small enough and sturdy enough so that you can put it into this hole over here and it doesn't break when we use a little bit of force. For example, you can use a paper clip. You can unbend a small paper clip and use the pointed end to push it into this SIM tray hole. If you have like earring or piercing jewelry, you can use that as well, like a small stud earring with a thin post can most likely fit into this hole. A thin safety pin can be used as well in order to press into the eject hole over here. If you have a mechanical pencil, if the lead is retracted, the metal tip of a mechanical pencil may work as well. And even a toothpick. If you have a sturdy toothpick, preferably a plastic one, it can be helpful if inserted carefully. So once you have your alternative tool that you can use, you just want to put it into this hole over here. There we go. And you want to use a little bit of force in order to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. And then of course after that you want to use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove it completely from the phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.